Hey guys, I'm Kelvin. Today I will demonstrate the genuine Apple lighting cable, the JimKev lighting cable, and the fake lighting cable in the market. Actually, so much customer doesn't know they are lighting cable buying from Amazon. Much of them are fake, it's not genuine. Okay, so this video will help you to distinguish the genuine and the fake lighting cable. Okay, let's start. This is the JimKev's lighting cable package. You can see there is an anti-fake laser sticker. See it? The best we offer, original, genuine, the website. Okay, and it is suitable for iPhone, iPad, and iPod. And the back inside, right? Okay, let me just open it. This is a JimKev's lighting cable. And how about others? This is the Apple genuine lighting cable. Okay, we'll use the machine. The machine is here to test what is the difference between genuine Apple lighting cable and the JimKev's lighting cable. So let's use the machine. Okay, you can see the machine has many data. Okay, we'll use the Apple's lighting cable to test first. This is Apple's lighting cable. You can see the machine, what the machine show. The machine said that is the Wilk lighting cable. Of course, it's Apple's lighting cable. Okay, and you can see the data on that machine show. It shows what? The electricity at the top one. The electricity is 5.22 watt and 5.2 watt, and the reference is 4.9 to 5.4, and it supports iOS 7, 8, and 9. Of course, also the latest iOS version 10, iOS 10. Okay, we kept this with this picture first. Why kept it? Because we use this data to compare the JimKev's and the fake one. Okay, yeah. Let's test the JimKev's. Okay. This is JimKev's lighting cable. Okay, it shows Wilk lighting cable. The electricity is 5.2 to 5.08 watt. And how about this one? You can see the difference. We compare. Use this to compare. This is the real Apple Lightning cable, and this is the JimKev Lightning cable. You can see 5.22 and 5.2, 5.22 and 5.2, and the reference is 4.9 to 5.4. And how about Apple's? Apple is also 5.9 to 5.4. Okay, it also supports iOS 7, 8, and 9. Okay, and there is the Chinese word Genian, the Wilk. Okay, how about the fake one? Okay, you can see the fake one, what data it shows. This is this lighting cable is buying from Amazon, some brand name. Okay, you can see what is the difference. The machine shows it is fake. The Chinese name here means fake. Okay, and how about the data? You can see it shows fake. Okay, and the electricity is also 5.22 to 5.2, and the reference is 4.9 to 5.4. What is the main difference? You can see the work 4.79 and the viewing is 5.09. Okay, how about the JimKev one? You remember it? Okay, you can see this is the JimKev. Yeah, you can see the electricity watt is 5.08 and 5.2. The Apple one is 5.09 and 5.2. You see, low electricity from Amazon's buying from Amazon's lighting cable, and some very low quality one. You can see that this is very low quality. Okay, we use this machine to test it. No data can show why, because you can see NG, the electricity, you can see 4.089, 2.02. It's very bad quality. Okay, it is very dangerous because it's very low quality. So thank you today's testing. Okay, thank you.